When you think of electric cars, most people picture something high-tech, expensive, and packed with features you'll never use. But Dacia, they've gone in a completely different direction. The 2025 Dacia Spring is the proof that EVs don't have to cost a fortune to make sense. It's Europe's most affordable electric car, and for 2025 it's gotten a major update that finally makes it feel ready for the mainstream. The first time I saw it, I won't lie, I didn't expect much. The old model looked a bit too basic, almost toy-like. But this new one, it looks sharper, tougher, and more confident. The redesigned front end, new lighting signature, and better proportions give it a presence that's small but not cheap. You can tell Dacia wanted to make this more than just a budget EV. Still, the big question remains, can an electric car this affordable actually deliver a good driving experience, or is it just a glorified city commuter? That's what I wanted to find out. So I spent time with the 2025 Spring in real-world traffic, highways, and tight parking spots, and surprisingly, it left me with more respect than I expected. The 2025 Dacia Spring wears its simplicity proudly. It's small, yes, but that's also its superpower. The design is clean and practical, not flashy or overcomplicated like many other EVs. Up front, you get a fresh, modern face with a closed grille and striking LED headlights. The new Dacia logo and geometric lines make it feel more grown-up, while the contrasting bumpers and wheel arches add a hint of crossover attitude. From the side, the short overhangs and raised ride height help the Spring navigate urban streets easily. It's compact enough to fit in tight European city spaces, but tall enough to give you a bit of SUV flavor. The rear design keeps things simple, minimalist taillights, black bumper inserts, and a subtle roof spoiler. It's not luxurious, but it's purposeful. Dacia didn't try to make the Spring something it's not. It's not pretending to be a Tesla or a Peugeot E208. It's designed for people who want an EV that's easy to live with, cheap to run, and reliable for daily use. In a world where EVs are getting heavier and more expensive, the Spring's lightweight, back-to-basics approach feels refreshingly honest. Inside, the 2025 Dacia Spring has gone through a much-needed transformation. The dashboard design is clean and modern, dominated by a large 10-inch central touchscreen that finally brings proper smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster is simple but functional, showing all the essential EV info like range, battery level, and energy flow. The materials are still basic hard plastics mostly, but everything feels more solid than before. The new seat fabric, color accents, and improved ergonomics make it more comfortable for daily driving. The cabin space, considering its size, is impressive. 4 adults can fit for short trips, and the trunk offers around 300 liters of usable space, more than many city cars. Dacia clearly focused on usability over flash. The controls are intuitive, the visibility is great, and it feels easy to operate even for first-time EV owners. It's the kind of simplicity that makes you smile not because it's fancy, but because it just works. Under the hood, well, under the floor technically, the 2025 Spring offers 2 motor options, the base 45 HP version and a more capable 65 HP variant. It's not fast by any means, but it's zippy enough for city driving. The torque delivery from the electric motor makes it feel lively at low speeds, and you can easily dart through traffic or climb steep streets without breaking a sweat. The 65 HP version especially feels more confident, making the Spring better suited for mixed driving. The top speed isn't groundbreaking, around 135 km/h, 84 mph, but that's more than enough for its purpose. The car's lightweight design, just around 970 kilos, means it's fun to throw around corners. It almost feels like a go-kart for the city. On open roads, you'll start to notice its limitations. The noise insulation and body control can't match larger EVs, but that's expected at this price point. What matters is how efficient and easy it feels. And in that sense, the Spring absolutely nails it. Now let's talk numbers. The 2025 Dacia Spring packs a 26.8 kilowatt-hour battery that delivers up to 220 kilometers, 37 miles of range on the WLTP cycle. That might not sound impressive next to Teslas or Hyundais, but it's more than enough for urban life. Most city drivers travel less than 50 kilometers a day, so you can go multiple days without recharging. Charging is simple and affordable. On a regular home wall box, it takes about 4 hours for a full charge. Fast charging, optional on higher trims, can get you from 20% to 80% in under 45 minutes. It's not blazing fast, but again, this is a budget EV. What matters is that running costs are next to nothing. Electricity costs just a fraction compared to gas. Efficiency is the Spring's biggest strength. It sips energy, often achieving under 13 kilo or 100 kilometers, making it one of the most efficient EVs in the world. And because of its simplicity, maintenance costs are almost non-existent. Driving the 2025 Dacia Spring is more fun than you'd expect from a tiny EV. It's light, maneuverable, and perfect for the stop-and-go rhythm of city life. The steering is easy, the turning circle is small, and visibility all around is excellent. It doesn't feel intimidating, it feels friendly, approachable, and stress-free. The suspension tuning has improved for 2025. It's still firm at times, but much smoother than before. The upgraded brakes and stability control give it more confidence on highways too. You won't find adaptive dampers or fancy drive modes here, but that's part of its charm. It's honest and uncomplicated. Safety has stepped up too. You now get automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and rear parking sensors as standard. The new structure has been reinforced for better crash protection, and the car now scores much higher on safety tests than the outgoing model. So, after a week with the 2025 Dacia Spring, here's my honest take. It's still basic, still slow, but it's also still brilliant in its own way. It does exactly what it promises: affordable, practical, and genuinely easy to live with. For anyone looking to switch to electric without spending a fortune, this car might be the smartest way in. The updates for 2025 fix almost every complaint from the old version. It now looks better, drives better, and feels more modern inside. Sure, it's not meant for long road trips or autobahn blasts, but as a city EV, it's spot on. If you think EVs are all about luxury and tech overload, the Dacia Spring will surprise you. It's the kind of car that quietly does its job and does it well. Sometimes, simple really is smarter.